Is your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1 not charging properly? Don't worry, this is a common issue that can happen due to cable faults, dirty charging ports, or outdated firmware. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the battery not charging problem. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before we start, make sure you're using the original DJI USB-C cable and a trusted power adapter, or plug the cable into another power adapter, like your phone's 25 watts or 30 watts charger, or try charging from a PC USB-C port to test the connection. If it works on another adapter, then your previous charger was the problem, and make sure your charging port and cable ends are clean. Use a soft brush to remove any dust. Now try these advanced solutions. Reset settings. First, turn on the camera. Now swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on settings. Then scroll all the way down. Here you will see the factory reset option. Tap on it. Then tap on confirm. Wait to reboot. It will reset all your camera settings. Now select language. Solution 2. Firmware update. First, make sure to connect internet on your phone. Then open up the DJI Mimo app on your phone. Then connect the Pocket 3 to the app. If the app detects the camera, if any updates are available, an update will appear on the top of the home page of the app on your phone. Then install the latest firmware update. Sometimes a firmware mismatch can prevent startup, and updating usually fixes the problem. Your issue might be solved by now. If it is, then don't forget to hit that like button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.